Just under 3 weeks ago we released our next phase in our e-referral project, which has enabled the specialists to do electronic triage and prioritisation. This has been really well received by the specialists, and rollout has been much quicker than anticipated because it's seen as such a simple and quick process to do that they're taking it on board very quickly. The advantages have been significant in that when it's done in the electronic workspace, it's a very flexible thing for the specialists to do. They can do it from anywhere, they can do it from the hospital, they can do it from home, they can do it when they're some downtime in a clinic, basically any time they're in front of a computer. It's all secure access. The significant benefits from the booking clerk's point of view is that the information is now all typed, so it's legible. Legibility was a significant problem in the past. And we've also managed to standardise the presentation of the triage fields across the organisation, because that was a previous problem, that every service did it slightly differently, which created some problems. The other improvements have been that the time frames from the GP referring the letter to the patient being entered into the system to have booking has been reduced quite significantly. We now don't have problems with letters being delayed or lost. The other significant advantage the booking clerks have experienced is that these referral letters are visible to them at all times. No matter where the referral is in its process, they can still see the referral through the electronic system, and when they get a phone call from a patient, they're able to tell them immediately where that referral is and where it's up to.
The old method of prioritising a patient was when the referrals came in, we printed off the e-referral and added a yellow sheet to the back of it so the doctor could write on it what he wanted done with the patient, whether he needed visual fields, whether they needed to go for a scan, when they needed to be seen in a priority of urgent, non-urgent, etc. And then that came to me to be entered into the Alpha system. Now everything is done on the referral before it's printed with the electronic triaging. The doctor can put everything he wants onto that referral. We read it. If it's declined, file it. If it's to be booked, we book it and print it. That is a great saving of time as well.
So the electronic triage has been welcomed by the GPs, because what that means is when the specialist hits the done button on the triage screen, that a summary of that message is sent electronically directly into the GP's inbox. So that's fantastic. We've got it immediately. But what's also very important from general practice is the cost, because prior to this we would be sent letters for this, and what we then had to do was pay administration staff to scan that document into our computer system. We now don't need to do that, and we have estimated with some prior work that the cost of scanning these documents was actually around $300,000 to $400,000.